Hey folks, Mark from Plumbing Mart here. How are you this afternoon? We are downtown Toronto, right across from Tip Top Tailors, the old factory that is now condo lofts, and we're in a different condo directly across the street over at Ralph and Sandra's. And I showed you this at the beginning, but let me show you this now. Check it out. Look at this gorgeous walk-in shower stall. We've tiled right out to the door frame, past the shower. Looks a lot cleaner that way. We've added in this beautiful fold-down seat that we use, shower niche. We've got the Boulanger thermostatic system in here, which is absolutely stunning. Minimalistic hand shower. That's the Axio design from Boulanger. Solid quartz shower jams, not marble. We've got a couple of LED mirrors in here. Beautiful new LED lighting in the ceiling. We've got we've repurposed their existing vanity. We have a custom quartz top that's measured. It's going in here later this week to fit this. We've got some Kohler toilets going in and a wall cabinet yet to go. And we've got a beautiful floor in. This is the Brave series from Olympia, and this color is called Gypsum. So it's absolutely beautiful. And when we sneak out here, we're doing a little bit in the kitchen today too. If you look underneath here, we've put in this Torley's engineered flooring on top of the existing granite. This is a floating floor, so we didn't have to remove the granite. We put this in, and then Mark is doing this beautiful, he's shy. He's doing this beautiful backsplash tile around the kitchen. And this used to be mirrors in here. So what this has done, it's just kind of lightened things up, reduced the maintenance a little bit. The kitchen looks a lot brighter. It's a lot nicer. So yeah, we're wrapping up here probably tomorrow. We've got a few little things to do. We're waiting for the custom glass to go into the shower. Andrew's taking care of that. And we'll have another one in the books. We'd love to come to your condo and do one of these for you. My guys just wish you didn't live downtown all the time, but we're happy to do it. Take care. Bye for now. Kitchens, bathrooms, basements, home renovations.